What's up everybody, welcome back to another drawing tutorial. So today we are going to be drawing Naruto Baryon mode from that episode where it was first revealed. So depending on what time and what year you're watching this in, it was the most recent episode, but obviously not if you're watching it in the future. Anyway, what am I talking about? I'm on a landscape orientation paper. Use a pencil and an eraser and hit pause if I go too fast. So we're a 3/4 pose, close up on his face, kind of top of his hair kind of cut off a bit, and just to his shoulders, right? I like the close-ups, they're dramatic, and I thought this one looked pretty cool. He had a real serious look on his face. So we're going to start with his eyebrows. Center point of my page is approximately here. We will come up and start with the left eyebrow, the right eyebrow, sorry. Well, his left eyebrow and the right eyebrow on the page. So curve it down like so, and we will bring it up. So 3/4 pose, we always have one small side of his face and one large side, right? So this is the small side, so it goes up and across, and then we bring it down to there. Right, and then we go over to the big eyebrow. We do this sort of hooked line here, and then it goes back up like so, up to there, down. Right. So this eyebrow is slightly bigger than this one. Then under there we have his eyes, right? So we go curve line up like so. And it goes underneath the eyebrow and comes out the other side, right? Comes out to about here. And then we will thicken this up a little bit. And we'll hook a line down, right? So in Boruto, the eyes are slightly different. So we got like a hooked line down here. And you can kind of thicken up the top a little bit. Right, so we got this hook that sort of exists on its own, and then the eye comes down here and then underneath like so. So then his iris, curved line coming around, like so, and then a long sort of fox eye just here, and then you can color this in black. Right, so then the other eye. So that was the small eye, right, basically. And then we'll go over and try and do the other one. Right, so you're about, I'd say eye width though. Just about this eye. The width of this eye will fit across here, and then that's where the next eye will start. Let's do that. So here to here will fit in here. And then the top eyelid comes over again. You can thicken this up. And then we have this sort of hook that comes down around the eye, sticking up the top. And then bring it down and across. And then his iris, half circle or circle with the top cut off just underneath the eyebrow, and then we give him the fox eye. Like so. Right, so nose. So we just got like nostril there, and then his mouth comes across, down, real serious, downturned both sides. And then his bottom lip, just there. And then his chin, so he's got a relatively square chin. So it comes across and up to there. So check your proportions now. So eyes to the nostrils is about the same as nostrils to the chin, right? So the nostrils are halfway between the middle of his eyes and his chin. So here to here, same as here to here. And then nostrils to bottom lip, about the same as bottom lip to chin. So here to here, about the same as here to here. Okay, halfway between nostrils and chin, his bottom lip. And then we can do his jaw. So we'll go up the side, like so. And on this side we can't see as much because his collar is in the way. So we'll go to about there. But on this side we'll bring it all the way. All the way up, side of his head. Just need to fix this here. Put down too much ink. Okay, so collar comes across right from, like it comes, say, well, we'll just do a little bit of it first. It goes down, cuts across his face there, then it travels back this way. Right, like so. And then his jaw will keep going in here and then come up for his ear. Right on this side. Curves around for his earlobe. And around up to the top of his ear. It's bigger than you think now. Curves up like so. And then we have, so the ear comes up and down into here, sideburn up to there, and then we have ear lines like bones and ligaments and things inside here. And of course you can add as much of this as you want. Every artist does that differently. And then we can just see the back of his neck and some more hair back here. Like so. Right, so then from around his eyes, we have these two ears that come up around here, right? So we've got like the top line that just goes up and off the top of my page that way. Similar coming out from the corner of his eyebrow here as well. Up and off my page there, right? And then they'll come back down inside. Like so. And start to go around his eyes, right? So the other side, this side is skinnier because it's 3/4 pose, so this side is turned away from us. That's why it's smaller. And then we have a hook. Comes around here and up. And then this will go back around underneath his eye. we do pretty much the same thing this side. So hook up to there, cover around his eye, and then we have stripes coming in along his cheeks. So one here, sort of nose level, and then one sort of higher up, like so. And then the rest of his hair. So, oh, and his ear on this side, forgot that. So he's an ear here, curves around, down like so. And then bones and ligaments in around here. That, right, so then the hair. So hair coming out here. Like so. And hair coming out from behind his ear on this side. And it goes up here. And then it's like, so these things are kind of like ears that come in this way. And then he has hair spikes that come across the front of his fringe. Like so. Right, okay, so then the rest of his collar on this side, so it comes out, comes down here, the inside of it comes across and down, across here, and then we have some of his neck in there, and the collar comes across down, and we have a zipper and like a rectangle zipper there, and this goes back to there. And then we bring the collar down, goes in, down that way. And then he has these black lines that come up from the center of his chest where that spiral is. Like so. And something else back around here. And his shoulder bumps off that way. Like that. And the shoulder on this side bumps down here. And then what we can see of the tails behind him just sort of flying up this way. One there and one going off that way. And then maybe top of one there, and then some of this one going off that way, and that one goes that way, and then you color. So it's like mostly red and stuff like that, and his eyes are kind of got black or dark gray around his eyes, but that's it. That is how to draw Naruto's Baryon mode close up on the face. Hope it's helpful, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.